Okay, so today your topic is describe a piece of technology that you find difficult to use. ठीक है, स्ट्रैटेजी वो यूज करनी है जो आप यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, सो आई डोंट थिंक सो टाइम भी चाहिए प्रिपेयर करने लिए. स्टार्ट करो, एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 minutes यू हैव टू स्पीक. ठीक है, करो स्टार्ट.
Nowadays, technology is increasing day by day. Everyone's use technology. With the help of technology, we can do a lot of things. We can learn a lot of skills like singing, cooking, painting, and also use that technology as a education purpose. But here I would like to talk about a device which is difficult for me to use. I vividly remember my brother who live in Canada. He came to India after 4 years. He gifted me a guitar on my birthday because I am a very keen interest in singing. It's dream to become a singer. So that guitar is very useful for me. But I do not know how it can use very well. Then that time my brother recommended me a Mr. Ashish Bhardwaj, who is a music teacher. He knows about the every instrument of music. So that time I will join the classes, and it's very difficult for me because that is electronic guitar and there is a wires. How we can connect with the laptop, and that time I feel. Very nervous to use them, but I am very interested in singing. And very famous singer, Mr. Diljit Dosanjh, he is my favorite singer. He is my role model, and he is also using the same guitar. So I am very interesting to know about that guitar. I give too much time to know how we can use it, and if any time I will face difficulty, my sir will help me a lot. So this is a device which is very difficult to use.
ठीक है, मतलब ਵਧੀਆ ਸੁਣਾਇਆ बच्चे. यू कैन ऐड कि आई हैव इंप्रूवड अ बिट. मैं थोड़ी चीज़ां आ गई हैं, सीख ली हैं, मैं यूज़ कर पा रही हूँ डेली बेसिस पे, बट हजे भी लॉट ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए है. सो इट विल टेक टाइम, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ नहीं की, सो मैंने होर डिफिकल्टी हो रही है. बट आशीष मैंने बहुत ਵਧੀਆ हेल्प कर रहा है. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. ठीक है, ਉਹਦਾ ठीक सुनाया.